DiffyQ is an educator-designed, standards-based solution that unlocks the power of assessment and classroom data. Where we are now is focused on creating a platform for teachers and administrators with powerful analytic tools that zoom in or out to yield actionable insights. Easily manage your classroom data. Create scoring rubrics effortlessly by selecting the relevant standards from our database. No more searching through curriculum documents or manual data entry. You can also leave feedback and even attach student artifacts directly within the platform. Gain immediate insights into student performance. Track performance by standards and identify trends across tasks. At DiffyQ, we believe in continuous assessment that yields actionable insights, not just snapshots from tedious testing requirements. Dive into student-specific data to personalize learning. Identify curriculum spirals, scaffold when needed, and access student portfolios. Support 504 plans and gifted student identification, all in one place. Seamlessly combine standardized test data and classroom data to form a complete, ongoing picture of student learning, matching evidence of achievement to individual standards. Empower teachers to focus on driving durable learning outcomes and track student performance at an individual, classroom, school, or district level. Zoom in on achievement at a standards level to identify opportunities. DiffyQ offers much more than headline achievement scores. Every piece of data is tied to a student's performance on a specific standard on a specific assessment. Easily identify which standards need more attention for different students, classrooms, or demographics. Effortlessly compare learning outcomes for groups of students or demographics across classrooms, schools, or even districts, and provide meaningful feedback by pinpointing the effectiveness of instructional techniques. Enhance lesson planning by finding new ways in which standards tie together and scaffold. Where we are going in the future is a focus on delivering a unique scaffolding experience that teachers can leverage for their students. Our scaffolded model of standards progression will seamlessly allow educators to identify opportunities for growth. Remediation and enrichment processes will be streamlined via generative assessment at a scaffolded standards level, further empowering DiffyQ teachers. DiffyQ, advancing equity through analytics. For a deeper understanding, visit our website at DiffyQmetrics.com to discover how DiffyQ is empowering schools to unlock the power of classroom and assessment.